Honestly, this is like my worst nightmare because मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि the day my father sees all of my stuff, he's gonna freak out. Hi everyone, welcome back. So if you're wondering कि मैं ऐसे कार्टन्स के डब्बों के फोर्ट में क्यों बैठी हूँ, it's because I finally got all my stuff from Pune to Lucknow. मैंने एक बॉक्स ऑलरेडी खोल भी दिया है. Yes, I finally got all my stuff. This is not actually all the stuff. अभी भी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो वहाँ रह गई हैं. मेरा नेल पेंट का बॉक्स वही रह गया है. I am so sad about that. पता नहीं क्यों इतना सामान आ गया, but अभी भी all I can think is कि मेरे नेल पेंट्स अभी भी वही रहे. So if you're wondering ये कैसे हुआ, क्यों किया, I'm gonna explain everything. But this is going to be a very random video. I just thought I should film this. मैं actually कोई और वीडियो शूट करने वाली थी. फिर मैंने इन बॉक्सेस को देखा जो 2 दिन से बाहर पड़े हुए थे. I was like इतना परायापन नहीं करना चाहती मैं अपने सामान के साथ. So first let's talk about why I did it. So one of my teammates randomly called me in the last week of July. She wanted to shift from her Pune wala flat and get her stuff back to Chandigarh. And ऐसे हमने काफी देर तक बात की and then she convinced me literally कि why aren't you moving out? I was like पता नहीं, it's fine, इतना झमेला कौन करेगा. I mean पहले मेरा idea was how will I do this because बहुत झाम पड़ेगा, कैसे करेंगे, मैं हूँ भी नहीं वहाँ पे, who will get all the things packed and all. Then somehow उनसे बात करके I got convinced because she said don't you care about your clothes. Just imagine वो 5 महीने से तुम्हारे कबर्ड्स में पड़े हुए हैं, वहाँ पे बारिश भी हो रही है, उमस भी हो रही है. And I was like don't do this to me, but that sort of convinced me, so yeah. And the second reason was अगर मुझे ये सब सामान नहीं मिलता I would have kept on going with the shopping thing that I'm doing right now. मतलब मैं बहुत शॉपिंग करने लग गई हूँ. It's not a good thing. मतलब how do I explain? I love clothes. You know, some people prioritize food above everything. For me, it's my clothes. And abhi in the coming months, there are a lot of festivals. And I do create content around festivals. And I knew I needed my sarees, blouse, jewelry. मैं फिर से वो खरीद लेती just to make videos. And that doesn't make sense. I know मेरे पास पुणे में बहुत अच्छा collection है jewelry का. तो I should make use of it. So मैंने काफ़ी सोचा. काफ़ी दिन सोचा actually. I think I finally contacted some movers and packers after 12 days of overthinking this. And trust me, I can overthink the hell out of anything. I was like, अगर 5 महीने के यहाँ पे सामान मंगवा लिया, उसके बाद मुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मेरे फ्लैटमेट्स क्या सोचेंगे कि मैं पैंडेमिक के बीच में उन्हें छोड़ के जा रही हूँ? But at the end, I thought this is for my own good, and I think I need to do this. So I got in touch with 2 movers and packers. I went ahead with Gati just because a lot of Pune people suggested it and they did a pretty good job, I feel. So yeah, I have 8 boxes which was approximately 100 kgs. So yeah. And this would not have been possible without Priya. She was the one जिसने बहुत help करी. I sent my house keys to her and then she was the one जो मेरे flat गई. She got everything packed. We were on a video call throughout and she just kept showing me around the house कि ये रखना है, washroom में कुछ लेना है, door के पीछे, dresser के नीचे, सब कुछ. I think I've answered everything. और कोई possible doubts तो नहीं होने चाहिए. So अब I'm gonna use my face razor and unbox some of these boxes. मैं एक खोल चुकी हूँ जिसमें मेरे denims थे. I was so happy कल रात जब मैंने ऐसे खोला एक box. Look at these denims. ये तो मैं पहन भी नहीं पाई हूँ ज़्यादा. I mean they don't stink, but if you're coming back home जहाँ आपकी माँ रहती है तो obviously all of these boxes have to be clean. So if you don't see any video for 1 week, just know मैं ये सारे कपड़े धुल रही हूँ. कौन सा खोले? ये खुलता है. Oh my god, it is so overwhelming to see all your clothes almost after 5 months. मतलब मैं भूल गई थी about all of this. Oh my white shirt. Finally मैं अपने पापा की शर्ट ही पहनूंगी अब. Yay! This is mostly my jewelry, books, not books, just diaries. 1 box, 2 box, 3rd box, 4th box. I think we're done with the jewelry part, so yeah. Ta-da! And इसमें mostly oxidized jewelry है या फिर Indian traditional jewelry है because last year काफ़ी brands sent me their pieces, so I'm really thankful to them. And I was like, I do not have to buy another neck piece इस साल, इसीलिए I did this. It also has my mini super छोटा सा packet. Oh my god! एक्चुअली ये मैं पहले यूज़ करती थी जब मैं मेकअप रिमूवर्स यूज़ करती थी, बट अब आई डोंट रियली नीड देम. सो या स्विचिंग टू अ ऑयल बेस्ड क्लेंजर हैज़ हेल्प्ड मी reduce using cotton pads in a way. And yeah, मेरा एक स्वेटर भी आया है. So you know, लखनऊ में सर्दियाँ होने वाली, तो I needed this as well. Oh, एक और बॉक्स था, सॉरी, एक और बॉक्स था. Honestly, this is like my worst nightmare because मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि the day my father sees all of my stuff, he's gonna freak out. He always used to tell me कि तुम कभी सेव नहीं कर पाओगी लाइफ में because you shop a lot, which is clearly true. So, अब ये खोलते हैं. ओके, सो अब ये खोलते हैं. दिस इज माई बांधनी सेट जो मैंने लास्ट ईयर ही लिया था नवरात्र के टाइम पे. आई न्यू आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गुड स्टफ विच कैन बी यूज्ड. Yay! I'm not gonna open this. I think I just want to find my shoes and be done with it. कहाँ रखूँ मैं इसको? So this is another box of random things. tada! ये मैं अपने बेड के पास टांगती थी. And oh my god, I was so upset. जो मेरा ग्रिड था जो मैं अपने बेड के पीछे लगा के रखती थी, that couldn't get packed because वो साइज में बहुत बड़ा था and इनके बॉक्सेस में वो आ नहीं रहा था. So yeah, that did not get delivered to me. I also got my epilator, my dresses, tops. Oh my god. Oh shit, dude, ये top. I wore it to Goa twice. And I love it. Dude, I also finally have my shorts. मैं almost plan कर रही थी कि मैं अपनी jeans काट दूँ shorts के लिए. इकलौती jeans जो मैं लेके आई हूँ, but thank God I didn't. Okay, मेरा straightener भी आ गया. And yeah, I got a scrunchie. Woo. ये क्या है? I think this came with one of the joggers. Okay, इसमें काफ़ी सारी belts और मेरी skirts भी हैं. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna pack it. ये shoes नहीं है. I need my shoes. And I'm sweating like a pig. I think अब पीछे के सिर्फ 3 बॉक्सेस रह गए. So I'm gonna open them now. This is quite heavy. Oops. Oh my god, all my clothes are here. Nice. So ये भी shoes नहीं है तो हम इन्हें बंद कर देंगे. I want my shoes. Okay, I'm sort of tired. To be honest, I'm pretty happy with the way everything was packed and sealed. The only thing that I have a problem with is the fact why do the boxes have overnight panties written on it? The thing is, I support menstrual cup. So anything that gives you the perfect menstrual experience, it's menstrual cup. No panties या फिर extra large size pads or even tampons. Menstrual cup for the win. If you haven't seen my video, I'm gonna link it here. Watch it. And मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. I can't find my shoes also. 2 ही boxes बचे हैं तो खोल ही देते हैं यार. Oh my god. I think ये shoes ही है. I think ये shoes हैं. Yes, ये shoes होने चाहिए. I think shoes का box is going to stink a lot. Let's see. Oh my god, yes. Yes, and it is stinking. Ugh. Fine. I can't open this. I'm tired. So I think मुझे बाल बांध के शूट करना चाहिए था and I'm tired. I don't know मैं इतने सारे कपड़ों को कैसे मैनेज करूँगी यहाँ पे because the space is limited, so I am figuring out a lot of things. Thanks to the corona and home quarantine जो हम पे है, because a lot of things got delayed, but hopefully we'll figure it out in September. So yeah. That is all for this video. Let me know if you liked this random ass vlog, and I know quarantine के starting में everybody was doing these collection videos like my bag collection, shoes collection, this collection. I could never do this because obviously मेरा सामान ही नहीं था मेरे पास, but अब सब कुछ है. So let me know if you would be interested in watching any of those videos because I can do it. I can do it. मेरे में इतनी भी हिम्मत नहीं कि मैं ये हटा के एक फिर से अच्छा सा फ्रेम करूँ. I'm just gonna say it from here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such content. No, I don't think so. मैं इतना random content बनाऊँगी आगे. But yeah, if you have any more doubts regarding moving out, let me know. And thank you so much Gati Movers and Packers and Priya for making this possible for me. अब जब मेरा सारा सामान यहाँ आ गया है, I literally don't want to open all of them because I will freaking lose my mind. ये सब संभालते संभालते, so but it has to be done. It has to be done. मेरा ही कबाड़ा सब कुछ. So yeah, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.